your boy, Dustin from the Flying Chair. It's the Rise Podcast. And today, I'm doing it solo. I thought I'd just jump on here and make a short video. Something I was dying to do. I want to talk about the F-117 stealth fighter photographs that I have from Colonel Wendell Stevens' photographic archives. And I could tell a little backstory how I got these photographs in the beginning. There was an auction for Colonel Wendell Stevens' storage locker about 2 years ago. And it was an eBay bid. It was, I guess they had it at the storage locker thing and they had it online. So I was on one of the lucky ones online, won 2 boxes. They came out of that auction. And I had about 200 photographs. And out of those 200 photographs were the 12 series photograph of the F-117 with the UFO. And it's beautiful. It's over water. And it came in an envelope that said Pensacola, Florida. I think 94. He said 90. Yeah, I think it was 94. And yeah, again, awesome. But there's been a lot of controversial stories and other. It's a big mess, kind of where these originated from. There's a guy, Michael Horn, who claims that these were taken at Groom Lake in 1981. And yeah, doesn't really add up with the background of the photographs and the envelope that it came in. I had Michael Horn on my show when I first started this podcast because he found out that I had these photographs when I was putting these online, and they're just making their rounds, going viral. So he wanted to reach out to me to verify what I had. And yeah, I heard his story that came along with these photographs when he went to the same storage locker, I think a year before the auction went off, maybe less than a year, I don't know. But he only had 9 of these photographs. I have 12. And yeah, he has a different story and had tried to make a connection between the Billy Meyer case in Switzerland and having this story of Billy Meyer and Ascot and Wendell and the beam ship in Area 51 and 81 checking out the F-117 stealth fighter. The story is so fuzzy and weird and kind of out of the blue, just to kind of make something relevant, like the Billy Meyer case relevant still. Like, here's new photographs that's never been seen before, and straight from his case. It's just kind of very unfair for these photographs, especially just to be linked with that, and like it doesn't really add up. Especially when you look at these photographs, you see an ocean below, and the fact that they do say Pensacola, Florida on the envelope that they came in. And then there's other people from FIGU who do believe my story and what I have to say about them. And this, again, for the people who do want to get into the Billy Meyer case and happen to run into this certain photographs and have this weird connection, it confuses everybody who wants to get into it and probably doesn't want to get into it because this is so bizarre, doesn't not fit, and I haven't really heard Billy Meyer himself claim these photographs, so this makes you wonder who's really running the contact reports. So that's just all theories and whatnot. Not necessarily no hate against the FIGU. I believe that the Billy Meyer case is genuine to an extent. I think he had his early contacts in his early life that were true. He had some amazing photographs, especially the ones from India, taken in like 1961. And yeah, it's very impressive, and especially when there's other people at the ashram that he was staying at saw these things too. You know, these beam ships and the Nordic-like ETs. Yeah, and then I feel like the contacts must have got cut short. Maybe because the ETs say he got some kind of fame and a kind of a cult-like following. So, yeah, just makes you wonder. But yeah, I thought I'd just present a little bit of what I have, and actually to show you I'm not bullshitting. I actually have the photo album, Colonel Wendell Stevens. And, well, look at this. I just happened to look. And I happen to have some Billy Meyer photographs, too. Look at that motherfucker. With Colonel Wendell Stevens' handwriting on the back of these. So he traded with Billy. At least the negatives and whatnot. But beautiful. I like these ones because they're more authentic. Especially taken in like 97. 97, sorry. 79. Jesus Christ. But let me get to the F-117. Here's the 2. Got to turn the other page to see the 10. So it's the 12. Here we go. There's me in my face with these motherfucking photographs. And the Kodak watermarks. Backside of it. The numbers. Beautiful. Yeah, you know. A lot of people think that I was just bullshitting and just copying photographs that I had that I find offline and claim that they're mine. But no, I'm sorry, but I do have a whole goddamn photo album from pictures from all around the world. Famous cases like the Billy Meyer case and others. And they're a series of photographs, not just one or two. God damn. Colonel Wendell Stevens is known to have the largest UFO photograph collection in the world. I like the ones from Paul Villa. And this. It's just heavy. This motherfucker weighs 15 pounds. But yeah, look at this fucker. Just stacked. But again, let me get a little bit closer look of these photographs. They're amazing. But again, I like to get the story correct. I hate just collaborate with Michael Horn on the story about Groom Lake in 1981. Just weak evidence, weak stories. Yeah, sad. But here we go. Pull some of these up. So again, like the New Jersey drones, the fact that they were coming out of the water, the fact that these were taken above the water, Pensacola. There's a military base there where they had F-117s flying at the time. But again, beautiful. And this looks like the UFO was somewhat stationary, but always kind of keeping an eye, like the nose tip of the UFO is kind of always pointed towards the aircraft when it's coming near. So it's kind of looks like in a defensive position. But again, what gnarly shit is that? But yeah, just so cool. I might have to make multiple videos of this, just to make the message clear to everybody, because people don't run into this video, they run into the next one. I'm just gonna keep it the story alive about being Pensacola, Florida, '94. I think it was taken in December, I believe. It's been nice in Pensacola in December. We got some snowfall here in Wisconsin, or Madison here, so yeah. I just hope it's not a crazy winter. It wasn't last year, so keeping my fingers crossed. But yeah, I just love these photographs. They get the most attention out of the collection that I have. As you can see the whole scene, and just even like the slight blur of the aircraft because it's moving so goddamn fast. Yeah, I don't know. You tell me. But yeah, that's not Area 51. If you look in the landscape, you shitting me? If you like Google Earth that area, it's all mountain ranges, and like the lakes that's even nearby don't even look nearly like this. And you can see some of the white caps, some of the areas here. Yeah. So again, with the drones in New Jersey, people are claiming that it came out of the water and over New Jersey and like over like hours, right? I think that he said that they reported for like flying over the New Jersey for like 5 hours. You gotta think of the battery life on some of those things, right? Like, what? Could this be reverse engineering? Is this Project Bluebeam just testing out some of their newer projects and other scare tactics? You know, I don't know. You can go down this rabbit hole all day. You know, it's just, what's around the corner next? I think something big is gonna happen next. So, buckle your seatbelts. Like my alien hat, should just start rocking this during the interviews more often. I like it. Alien Workshop. You know, it's kind of funny is like, Alien Workshop Escape Company was like the forerunner for what I'm doing now. Especially when I was skateboarding at the time, I was rocking them only Alien Workshop boards and the gear and everything else. I found this on eBay. It was one of the rare ones. It's kind of the vintage style. I really like it. It's got that flow, the drip. Yeah. What else? Yeah, I just wanted to make that clear. About the F-117 stealth fighter photographs. I want to maybe talk about it more later in future podcasts. I think it just needs to be echoed a lot. That's how it usually works in the UFO community. You just can't really put it out there once and make sure have everybody know what the hell is everybody's talking about. But yeah, if it really if your curiosity is running wild with those photographs and trying to have that connection with Billy Meyer, it really does not fit. And they have multiple articles on their website about this situation on their website, trying to figure it out how it all adds up, and it doesn't. It shouldn't. There's other people in Figu who disagree. It's kind of funny. So yeah, I just want to have my voice heard and being the custodian to Colonel Wendell Stevens' photographs. I think they deserve the right stories, and yeah, 'cause that's what's up. But yeah, I just wanted to make this short and sweet, and yeah, we have more to come. So stay tuned, kids. All right, later.